Many women notice that their interest in sex drops and it can feel confusing, frustrating, or even scary. But here's something important to understand: loss of sexual desire is extremely common, and in many cases, it's the body or mind sending a signal that something deeper needs attention. A woman may still love her partner, still care emotionally, and still externally feel no excitement for intimacy. So what caused this to happen? One of the biggest reason is stress. Modern life puts enormous pressure on women: work stress, family responsibilities, financial tension, lack of sleep, and emotional overload can all reduce sexual desire. When the brain is in survival mode, romance and intimacy often move to the background. Hormonal change are another major factor. A woman's sexual desire is strongly connected to hormones like estrogen and testosterone. After childbirth, during breastfeeding, before periods, after menopause, or even because of birth control pills, hormones can shift dramatically. These changes may reduce arousal, vaginal lubrication, and overall interest in sex. Relationship problems also play a hug role. Emotional connecting matters deeply for women. Constant argument, lack of appreciation, feeling ignored, or broken trust can slowly shut down intimacy. Sometimes the issue is not physical at all, it's emotional distance. And another hidden reason is mental health. Anxiety and depression can reduce sexual desire significantly. In fact, many antidepressant medicine themselves can also lower libido as a side effect. A woman may feel emotionally disconnected or numb, making anything messy difficult. Body image issues can also affect desire. If a woman feels insecure about weight gain, skin problem, aging, or physical appearance, she may avoid intimacy even if her partner still find her attractive. Confidence and desire are closely connected. Physical health condition can matter too. Problem like thyroid disorder, diabetes, anemia, chronic fatigue, PCOS, pain during intercourse may be related to sudden loss of interest in sex. Sometimes the body simply does not have enough energy or comfort for intimacy. And then there's emotional burnout. Many women spend all day taking care of everyone else, children, family, work, home responsibilities, until they feel mentally drained. By the end of day, intimacy may feel like another task instead of prayer. Some women also lose interest because intimacy becomes repetitive or emotionally disconnected. Lack of communication about needs, desire, or emotional closeness can slowly reduce excitement over time. The important thing is this: loss of sexual interest does not automatically mean the relationship is overall that love is gone. Often it's a single that physical health, emotional connecting, stress level, or hormonal balance need attention. So what can help? First, open communication. Honest and respectful conversation between partner can reduce pressure and misunderstanding. Second, better sleep, exercise, stress reduce, and healthier eating habits can improve energy and hormone balance naturally. Third, emotional connecting matters. Small act of affection, application, quality time, and emotional safety often rebuild intimacy more effectively than pressure or argument. And finally, if the problem continues for a long time, medical advice may help identify hormonal or health related causes. A healthy relationship is not only about physical intimacy, it's about emotional understanding, patient trust, and supporting each other. Thought change that naturally happen in life, because sometimes the real issue is not lack of love, it's stress, hormones, emotional pain, or simply feeling unseen. And when those deeper issues are addressed, intimacy often return naturally. Thank you very much.